Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel. I'm a photographer, and today I'm gonna show you how to turn your beautiful photographs into artistic drawings thanks to this freeware photo application called Photoscape X. I've been using this Photoscape X for 3 years now. I'm very satisfied with it, but it's not entirely free. You have to pay for some features. They have a premium version, but most of the good features are free. Only one feature I wish it was free. It was the curves, because I like to photograph portraits and I also like to draw portraits. I'm into digital drawing, and this curve thing is a must when you play with portraits. Unfortunately, it's not free on this app, but thankfully it's free on the other freeware app, Affinity. Affinity is a fantastic alternative on Photoshop, and it's 100% free. They gave it totally free, and Affinity comes from Canva, of course. But today I'm going to show you a cool way to turn your images into drawings. So if you want to play with digital art, that's the way to go. You don't need to find other solutions, and I advise you to try to avoid using AI, because AI sucks. The result is not always great, and I don't want some AI robot to make the photograph for me. Although this is similar to AI, but I'd rather use a dedicated photo app. So let's dive in and see you in a second. Okay guys, that's the application, the interface, how it looks like. We have here this image uh, of a beautiful landscape in a town in Greece. It's called Kirkini. It's famous for its wildlife, beautiful lake, and landscapes. Every photographer from Greece, they visit this little town in Greece to photograph the birds, the animals, the cows, the bulls, and the whole scenery. And I visited on January, and I had with me the Samyang 75mm lens, which I no longer have it because it broke. Silly me. And I did a stupid mistake when I visited Kirkini. Because I play with portraits, I forgot to change the aperture. I used shutter speed priority, but I didn't put an f.8 or f.11 and kept it on f1.8. Silly me, big mistake. Not ideal for landscapes, especially at the daylight. And but what it did, it created a bokeh effect around the corners of this landscape. I mean, not everything here is sharp, like you see here, the mountains, the bushes here, but the second part of the photo is entirely sharp. The lake here, the mountains,